Welcome to my Edu channel. Today I will discuss an important topic rank of matrix. A matrix is said to be of rank R when there is at least one minor of A of order R which does not vanish. Every minor of A of order R plus 1 or higher vanishes. Okay. So first read the theory, after that you can understand when I will show you example. Okay. So there is at least one minor of A of order R which does not vanish. Okay. So one non-zero minor required which does not vanish, and every minor of A of order R plus 1 or higher vanishes. So rank equal to number of non-zero row in upper triangular matrix. At first, transfer the matrix into a upper triangular matrix, then calculate the rank. Okay. So briefly, the rank of a matrix is the largest order of any non-vanishing minor of the matrix. From the above definition of the rank of a matrix, we have the following two useful results. If a matrix has a non-zero minor of order R, its rank is less than equal to R. So here is one 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay. At first, transfer it in upper triangular form. That means these three elements will be 0. Okay. After that, calculate the non-zero rows. 1, 2. So the rank is 2. Okay. Another process is just find the determinant of this matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix. So its determinant is 0. So its rank not 3. Okay. It's not rank not 3. So just after that calculate all 2 cross 2 minor from here. Okay. The determinant of 2 cross 2 minor, every 2 cross 2 minor. So if there exists one non-zero 2 cross 2 minor, then its rank will be 2. It's our second process. Okay. So after that, you see here, if a matrix has a non-zero minor of order R, its rank is less than equal to R. Okay. If all minors of a matrix of order R plus 1 are 0, then its rank is greater than equal to R. The rank of a matrix A shall be denoted by row A. Okay. So after that, elementary transformation do not alter the rank of matrix. If you apply some elementary transformation, then it has no effect on the rank of matrix. The rank of the transpose of a matrix is the same as then of the original matrix. Okay, the original matrix and the transpose of a matrix rank is same. The rank of a product of two matrices cannot be exceed the rank of either matrix row A B and rank of A, and that means the rank of A and the rank of B is always greater than equal to the rank of the augmented matrix. Okay, AB. After that, a matrix A Aij m cross n is said to be echelon form if every row of A which has all its entries 0 occur below every row which has a non-zero entry. Okay. So here, for every row of A which has all its entries 0 occurs below every row which has a non-zero entry. So after every non-zero entry here 1 0. Okay. The number of 0 preceding the first non-zero element in a row is less than the number of such zeros in the succeeding or next row. The first non-zero element in every row is unity. When a matrix is converted in echelon form, then the number of non-zero rows of the matrix is known as the rank of matrix of A. So actually the main rule is at first convert it in any matrix, convert it in upper triangular form, that means echelon form. Okay, then calculate the non-zero rows and then the number of non-zero rows is rank of matrix. So is the main story. So I think you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.